Hello everyone. Today let's make a healthy breakfast recipe which is a great source of fiber and calcium. Yes, it's a 3 ingredients chia seed pudding. So let's get started with the recipe. For that, in a bowl add 1 cup milk boiled and cool to room temperature. To that add 1 tablespoon honey. You can also opt for maple syrup, jaggery as per your taste. Now give that a good mix. Then add 1/4 cup chia seeds and mix them well. And keep them aside for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it starts to thicken, so that give them a mix and make sure there are no lumps. Cover and refrigerate them overnight. Now the pudding is ready. Give that a mix and transfer it to a serving bowl. Now it's time for topping. As mangoes are in season, I have sliced the mangoes and made a rose on the pudding. For that, I have sliced the mangoes and started to arrange the sliced pieces from the end of the bowl towards the center. Place the slices one after the other as shown in the video, and the mango rose will be ready. Or you can just add chopped mangoes or any other fruits of your choice like strawberries, blueberries, kiwi and many more. And yes, our mango chia seed pudding is ready to serve. So now let's make another option, which is chocolate chia seed pudding. For that, to a bowl add 1 cup milk boiled and cooled to room temperature. You can also choose almond milk, plant milk as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and give them a good mix so that everything is well combined. Now add 1/4 cup chia seeds and mix them well. And keep it aside for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it starts to thicken, so give them a mix and make sure there are no lumps. Cover and refrigerate it overnight. Now the pudding is ready. Give that a mix and transfer it to a serving bowl. And for the toppings, I have started with sliced banana, roasted almonds chopped, mini choco chips, and finally a tablespoon of peanut butter. And the chocolate chia seed pudding is ready to serve. Do give these recipes a try and don't forget to share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.